Oh, fuck. Oh, man. Finally made it to Walmart. All I gotta do is go in there, get the Dr. Pepper, and leave. No distractions. Let's just get this done. Grab a cart. That was harder than it needed to be. Alright. What do we need to get? We need to get Dr. Pepper. That's what we came here for. We're not gonna get distracted. We're not gonna go look around. We're just gonna go get our Dr. Pepper, and we're gonna leave. That's all we're gonna do. What is this? Yellowstone Uno? They made a Yellowstone Uno? Okay. What the hell is this? They really will make toys out of anything these days, won't they?
Oh, I'm sorry, man.
Oh, no, you're
Sorry
good.
about that.
You're good.
Fucking asshole. Ooh, what do we have here? Pearl Jam? I think I've heard of Pearl Jam. They got any songs that I know? Ooh, Even Flow. Is it the one that goes... That's so stupid. Let's just put it back there. Nice and tidy. Oh, shit. Well, fuck. Okay, well, yeah, let's put it back where it was. Yeah. Good as new. There she is, and she's only $5.36. I wonder how much a 24 pack is. $12.48? Wait a minute, that doesn't make any sense. $5.36 twice is $10.72, so that would mean that the two 12 cases are cheaper than buying the 24 pack. That is so dumb. Oh well, I'm not gonna worry about it. Walmart can cry about it. Alright, just need to get this last one, and I think we're ready to go. Let's get out of here. Look, a new flavor. Hang on, what the fuck? That's weird. Coconut flavored. Alright, well, I'll just put this one back. And I'll grab you. Put you in my cart. Alright, let's get you. Oh! Oh! Only $11.60. Wow, not too bad. Alright, let's see here. Insert card. Put in my card right there. Do you want cash back? No. I think I'm good. Come on now. Come on now. Alright, thank you.